that means it's not good for health. As you can see, all the sodas, municipal water or RO water should be in positive, and any fruits with vitamin C should be rich in antioxidants, usually up to minus 100. So here, as I mentioned, the moisture is showing, I can see here. So now let me go into Sprite. So Sprite, what is the value, my friend, in Sprite?
360 plus.
Yeah, plus 360. Similarly, for your Kinley,
It's around 330.
330. And what about your Kenyan water?
It is minus 550.
It is
7.
actually increasing.
Yeah.
Okay, usually it goes to minus 650. So that shows the water is healthy, my friends. So
Okay.
it has capability of giving more electrons to our body. That we'll see in the next slide.
Sure.
So here, if you are drinking any of these waters of 1 liter with that measurement which we have just seen, then let's see how many electrons do they give to our body. So as you can see, like if it is plus 300, okay, plus 300, how many electrons is it giving to our body? Can you tell me, Atharva?
Plus 300, it will give you around 10.
Around 10 electrons. And do you think 10 electrons is enough for our body?
No.
No. Then similarly, Kengen, let's take minus 400. How many electrons is it able to give to our body?
It's in billion.
10 to the power of 14. So it's in billions. That billions of electrons is enough for us to keep healthy, my friends. So this is healthy water, as you can see. It is Kenyan water, right? And you can ask me, Babu, should I have to buy this machine? Can't I drink or have this antioxidants from a natural process? Yes, you can. You can take 16 glasses of green tea on a daily basis. Can you do that? 16 glasses, right? 1 kg of blueberry, not possible to take fresh. 5 kgs of broccoli, it is also very hard, my friends. And sometimes this is not possible in India. But what is possible in India is, if you are able to take 45 spinaches on a daily basis, it is equal to drinking 1.5 liters of Kenyan water, which is easy to drink 1.5 liters of Kenyan water or eating 45 spinaches, my friends. Thank you. Drinking water is easier. 38 carrots, my friends. You can't eat 38 carrots every day. Maybe one day you can take it as a challenge. And similarly, bananas, 700 plus bananas, 500 plus apples, or 3.7 kg of pumpkin. You can't be taking this much of food. And if you have taken it, can you digest that? Just imagine. And this, I'm not saying this. It is being researched by Professor Hatana in Japan. Can I ask you a question here? Can you tell me what is the age difference between these two people?
Age difference between those?
Yeah.
20 years.
How much do you think?
20.
20 years. To be honest, they both are of same age. Both are 79 years this year. But the person towards your left is the CEO of this company and he's been drinking this water since 45 years. And the person towards your right, he is the business advisor and he looks older compared to the Oshiro. So that was the first property, my friends. Let's get into the second property. Second property is alkaline nature. Let's see why we should know about alkalinization. It's because our body organs are all alkaline in nature. Blood itself is 7.4 pH, my friends. Blood is. Then you can see other measurements here on the slide. So if you can keep your body maintained in alkaline state, you can live longer, healthier. But are we actually taking alkaline food all the time? If you have to take alkaline food, then you should stop eating all the fried foods. You should take foods raw. Can we do that, my friends? No. So let's check why is it important to keep our body alkaline is if you can keep your body in alkaline state, you are less prone to diseases. And this has been proved and researched by Dr. Otto Henrich. And he has got Nobel Prize for doing this noble work. He has given these two sentences. Cancer cells grow in an acidic environment and cancer cells cannot survive in an alkaline environment. For you to maintain your health, start taking alkalized water from today, my friends. Right? So let me test if these waters are alkaline or not. Are you with me? Thank you. So I'm going to use this pH drops, right? We might have seen pH litmus, okay, litmus paper test. Now we are taking this pH drops and test the waters. So I'm going to put two drops in each of them and see how alkaline or acidic they are. So I've put two drops in each of these waters. So let's go with your normal daily drinking RO water. Okay. So I'm going to have a slide of the pH scale. Here, the pH scale, on the pH scale, what would you say is this number, the number for this water, RO water? Something around between 4 and 5. Similarly, what about Sprite, my friends? Sprite is totally 3 and 4, between 3 and 4, very acidic, not good for health. You can use this for toilet cleaning. Now let's go with the other one. This is purplish in color and you can say it's alkaline, right? Alkaline. So now listen to me carefully. If you've been drinking this kind of water so far, don't you think your body is in acidic nature? If it is in acidic nature, if you start drinking this water from today, still you can heal your body. So don't you think it's a good news for you? So let me put this water in here. Yes. Can you see? It has changed to healthy. But if you've been taking this water, Sprite water, then it's a carbonated drink. Can you change it? See, you can't. You will be needing 33 glasses of Kenyan water to neutralize your body if you have drinking 1 glass of Sprite, my friends. So I recommend you and suggest not to drink Sprite or any carbonated drinks for that matter. So that is my second property. But let me show you another slide in which you will know if your body is in acidic nature, what are the problems. See, if you are having any of these symptoms, that means your body is in acidic nature, my friends. And if you are having any mild kind of problems like acidity, constipation, headache, or teeth problems, this is your stage 1 to take action. If your body is over the limit in terms of weight, BMI, if you are not able to sleep properly or you are having sinusitis or any skin allergies, that means your body is in stage 2. And the next stage is severe, very severe. Sometimes you might get heart attack also if you are not keeping your body in alkaline state. Obesity is one of the biggest problems India is facing now. Cancers, you can see some or the other person in any of their families having cancer. They're suffering from cancer. This means body is in acidic, my friends. Take action from now. From today, try to maintain your body in alkaline state, right? So let's go to the next property, microcluster property. This is the third property which you get from our machines, my friend. The third property is microclustering property. And here you can see in the picture towards your right, regular H2 molecular cluster is 15 to 20. And our water, Kangen water, is 5 to 6. That means the molecular size is thin and it can penetrate into cells very easy. So it can transport all the nutrients. It is easy to absorb in the cells. It hydrates our body very well, maintaining our body temperature good. It cleanses and our metabolic waste is thrown out of the body with this water. You can also see the statement given by Dr. Peter Agre. He tells when water gets into your cell, it works miraculously, detoxifying your body, giving the oxygen into the body. So, you want to see a video here.
Let us see how this type of water affects human blood. The doctor is drawing blood from a patient's finger. Using a special microscope, we shall be able to see the condition of her body from this drop.
These are red blood cells and they've lost their electrical charge. So they're all stuck together in a formation called a rouleau. Here's the huge symplasm. Symplasms are associated with heart disease and arthritis and lung disease and many other conditions that could be coming in the future.
The doctor asks the patient to drink a small amount of structured water. After 12 minutes, the doctor again draws blood from the patient and studies it.
So you can see that the cells then become buoyant, they become slippery, and they have their electrical charge, so they repel each other. That allows them to carry oxygen, and it means that we're changing the pH of the blood back to an aerobic environment rather than an anaerobic environment. I think that's utterly amazing. That a water, that just drinking water can do that.
So as you see in this video, a lab technician, she's trying to find out from the patient's blood sample how good is his body, and she has found out the blood of him was thick.
Yes.
You can see the rouleau effect. Decreases surface area, oxygen is less, electrical charge is not good, pH is off. But drinking this water within 12 minutes, they are found out it is electrical charge is there, better pH, and it increases the surface area also. I'll show that through this demonstration of friends.
It's kind of blood clotting.
Yes.
Oleo effect, yeah?
Yeah, and when you have this blood clotting, it is hard to pump the blood around.
Yeah. Yes.
And by taking this water, you're making the blood go thinner and it flows
It is
into the
easy to travel.
organs easy.
Yeah.
I've got this green tea bag. I'm putting the green tea bag in one of the glasses. And
Okay.
if I put some water in it, do you think green tea is needed? No. Because to prepare green tea, you'll be needing boiled water, isn't it?
Yeah, boiled water.
Yeah. But do you think it does make any green tea? No, it is not making any green tea. But if I put the same bag with Kangen device water or Kangen processed water, you can actually see the green tea. Can you see the color change?
Yeah.
This is showing that the cluster or molecular cluster of this water is thinner. That's the reason it is able to get into the leaves and bring the flavor out.
Well,
Yeah.
very good. Yeah.
So these are the three properties you get in this water, and it's so healthy water.
It means we can take green tea in a
Yes.
cold condition also.
Yes, in room temperature. In
Yeah.
room temperature.
Yeah.
And this water can prepare 10 glasses of green tea with the same bag. Only with one bag, you can actually take at least 10.
Wow.
But I usually recommend to take something around 3 to 5 glasses. Okay?
Okay.
So what you actually see with this company is, the company is 45 years old and they are original equipment manufacturers, everything is prepared in their own workplace, in their own factory. The screws, the nuts, the plastic, the electrolysis chambers, the plates, everything is prepared in their own plant. Nothing is outsourced. Then this device is certified as a medical grade device, and it has the standards of the factories are meeting ISO 13485. It is the highest rank you can give for the process, industrial process. Similarly, it is gold sealed device, my friend. Water Quality Association has given the gold seal for this process of water.
Yeah.
Gold seal. And it's a A-rated member in Better Business Bureau and is launched in India in Feb 2016. And this is how the process happens. The water gets into the filter, filters all the chlorine in it, then it gets into the electrolysis chamber, and this is the process what happens. You ready to listen to this?
The water
Yeah.
passes over the plates. The minerals in the water are separated into two streams of water, one alkaline and one acidic. The more plate surface area and the more power you can apply to the plates, the better the separation and the better the quality of the ionized water. Some metals are better electrical conductors than others, and some hold up to the abuse of electrolysis. While some manufacturers use stainless steel or white gold because they are less expensive, the most reputable companies use titanium and platinum. Titanium is used because it is a very dense metal and is a great conductor of electricity. Platinum is a great durable conductor of electricity, and it's applied on top of the titanium to keep the titanium from breaking down in water during electrolysis. Enagic's SD501 water ionizer has the ability to utilize the highest wattage in the industry. Everyone knows that if you want a brighter light, you use a higher wattage light bulb. With ionizers, the higher the wattage, the more it.
So this is the process what happens in the machine. They are very transparent, and as you can see, there are lots of testimonies to share which can support what they are claiming. And here, company never claims your health will be better with this, but it can tell you by taking this water, your immune system can grow. So here is a
Yeah, your video is paused. Hello.
Okay. Is it any better now, my friend?
Yeah, it's better now.
Okay. Here, Dr. Hiromi Shinya, he is the chief of endoscopy at US College. He is mentioning Kangen water is alkaline rich water with a pH of 8.5 to 9.5. It is considered very best drinking water because of its incomparable powers of hydration, detoxification, and antioxidation rich. You have seen all these three properties demonstrated to you. He has written lots of world famous books, and each of the book he has compulsory mentioned about this Kangen device, my friend. He has mentioned about this device, and especially SD501. He has mentioned that in all his books, and he prescribes this water to all the patients who come to him. And one more important thing is he has done more than 300,000 treatments using this water to his patients.
Okay.
And these are some testimonies. After coming to him, by consuming this water for 3 months, their colon has cleared so nicely. Chronic constipation cancer patients' colon is so clear. Chemotherapy patients' colon is also cleared for within 6 months time. And major endorsement is from American Anti-Cancer Institute itself. They are recommending this product as a cure or prevention for cancer, and that is in the list, number 1 in the list. They're also mentioning the name of the brand and the company. More than 6,500 doctors have prescribed or certified, approved this machine, this water. And water, as I've mentioned, this is a gold seal certificate from Water Quality Association. And now I tell you, you're not actually paying the price. You're actually seeing the value. Aren't you? Can I request you to have your video on from now, Atava?
My video.
Is it possible?
Okay, I am doing it.
Because I want more attention from now. Because this is the value what you're going to get. You're going to get a device which is ISO 13485 medical grade certified. You're going to get a device which is having Gold Seal Award from Quality Association. And it's only ionizer which has been endorsed by 6,500 Japanese doctors association. It is having largest surface area of plates. So it is 135 mm into 75 mm. So it is this long, this width plates. Medical grade solid titanium plates you can see dipped in platinum to avoid any metal poisoning, and it also used as catalyst to your process. Then track record of 45 years, direct from Japanese manufacturer, no third party. Does not overheat over than 1 hour usage also. Biggest and fastest water flow, 6 liters per minute in SD501 man. Only ionizer producing 11.5 to 2.5 pH water. I'll be telling about this waters in next slides. Only ionizer with e-cleaning system. No other ionizers are having e-cleaning system so far. No, and not affected by hard water at all. 230 watt of current is passed through. So your antioxidants rich. Long machine lifespan, 15 to 25 years of lifespan. And 5 years warranty covering your labor and parts both. So these are the 15 valued points for your investment. Don't you think you should have this kind of a machine in your home?
What is the cost of this machine?
I am coming to that, my friends, only after showing what are the different types of waters you can gain from this machine. Okay? Yeah?
Sure.
So it has been in all the Japanese hospitals. So these are the different kinds of waters you can see and the benefits of this water. So 8.5, 9 and 9.5 waters are used for drinking and cooking purposes usually. Beauty water is used for as a toner or astringent for your beauty. You can improve your skin texture by using this. You can use it for your hair care, grooming your pets. If you have dogs or kittens at home, you can groom them with this. Clean mirrors and glasses. House cleaning, floor and tiles can be cleaned with this, and it's not sticky. That's important. And your skin is usually 4 to 6 pH. So given this water, you're actually cleansing your skin very well. And the next kind of water is 7 pH water. Usually for babies or when you're taking medicines, you use this water. And next one is 11.5 pH water. You can use this water to remove all the pesticides. Fruits or vegetables can be cleaned with it. And similarly, you can use it as a detergent also. Laundry detergent. So you can see in the pictures, they are spraying the chemicals on the fruits, and you're bringing the same fruits at home and eating them. And sometimes you're just cleaning under the salt water, but that greasy thing might not go, and it gets and accumulated in your stomach. And the last kind of water is strong acidic water, which is of 2.5 pH. And scientists have mentioned if the water is less than 2.7 pH, then it is called as disinfectant, and it can kill the germs within 30 seconds in contact with it. It cleans the cuts, skin infection, and athletic fluid. You can use it as a mouth washer as well. The pH is 2.5, as I mentioned, not for drinking. Most of the celebrities, as you can see in the slides, are using them. They're using it because, not because they have money, but because they care for their health. Their physicians care for their health. Their medical representatives care for their health. That's why they suggest this water for them, and they're buying it. And what about these people? They you can see their kitchens or their environment is of middle class or lower middle class, and they're still able to buy this machine because they are health conscious. What do you think the cost of this kind of a machine would be? Approximately.
As I know, it is around 30 to 35K.
30 to 35K. Okay. What if I say it is worth putting more than 30,000 also? Would you buy it?
Sorry?
What if I say it is more than 30,000? Would you like to buy one?
I will like to buy and sell.
Right, sir. Okay. See, we are buying lots of luxury things for ourselves. Are they giving health? No.
No.
But if you are having something healthy which can prevent you getting any health disorders, you will definitely buy. I know that.
Mhm.
As you're cleansing your body, as you clean your cars, maintain your cars or electronic goods, you should maintain your body, and this water helps maintain your body.
Yes.
And these are the prices for you, my friends.
Okay.
So it has 5 different models. Model number 1 is the 3 plates machine Lulac JR2, which is having 3 plates as I mentioned. It gives ORP as a ORP of minus 350, and 2 liters per minute is the flow rate, and the warranty is 3 years. And the next model is SD501. It has 7 plates in it. Minus 650 is the ORP, and 5 liters per minute is the flow rate. Warranty is 5 years. 2.77 is the rate of it. And the next model is the similar kind, but here the body is metallic. Body is metallic here. And the next one is K8. It's a smart machine. It is semi-automatic. Its price is 3.43. ORP is approximately minus 750, and the flow rate is 6 liters per minute because of 8 plates. It has 8 plates in it. And the last model is Super 501. It has 12 plates in it. ORP is something around minus 950. 6 liters per minute is the flow rate. 3 years warranty with a price of 3.97. Which model do you think is best for your home?
I don't know the property, how much water it wastes, because I have seen that diagram.
Right,
Some acidic water is getting into the waste RO, and
right.
neutralized water is coming to this nozzle. I want to